Hello everybody, and welcome to this installment of GBear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And yeah, I just got back from Home Depot and backed the trailer into place here. As you can see, I am committed to the Kellogg's garden soil. This is, as far as I have ever used, all of the different ones that I've ever used, this is the best for your garden. You can mix this 50-50 with your native soil, and you've got all of your organics in here. You got everything that you need is already in here. And this stuff holds water really well. So it also saves you water because you don't have to water as often. I watered the other garden there when I planted everything. And I've been checking it with my little water meter. And it's still wet under the surface. So the top will dry off. But the bottom is staying nice and damp. So it's holding water really well. I like that. This stuff is good, and if you don't believe my commitment to it, here's another 10 bags coming in today, and there's 19 bags in the garden already right now. But I do mix it with native soil, and here's a scoop of native soil that's getting ready to go in there. And take the sticks out, I don't need those. But I'll mix it about 50-50 with the native soil, and try to keep all of the junk, like the greens and that stuff, out of there. I just wanted to cover that. And also I got checked, or I got asked yesterday about whether I'm using my gray hoverman homemade antennas, TV antennas out here. And I'm sure some of you that have all been watching me on a regular basis know that, yes, I am. Those are them up there. And what I did was I tied them in parallel with a piece of speaker wire. And the balun, or the transformer, is connected at the top. But the bottom one just has wires running from that up to where the balun is connected. So it just, basically, it ties those two together to be one big antenna. And I'm getting some really good reception out of it like that. So as you saw from yesterday's video when I showed you the new TV and how clear the channels are coming, and I watched San Diego TV from way up here by Edwards Air Base. So that's quite a distance away, and those things are doing their job. As you can see, we've got some wind blowing. You probably hear it in my microphone. I don't have my windproof microphone on because I just got back from the store. I just finished lunch, and I'm about to head in and start working on all of this stuff. I got to get all the straps off of it and start hauling it inside, mixing it with garden soil. And this morning, I did spread out those last 2 bags I had, and I cut the bottoms out of the 2 of the big pots that are going in the corner for the trees. So those are ready. I'll get those transplanted. I'll do that after I get the garden run done. But you see where I spread out the soil there on top of the native soil. So it's 2 inches of regular soil, 2 inches of topsoil. Now I'm going to put another 2 inches of regular soil from out here, native soil, and then I'll top that with the new garden soil that I have here. So that'll be all ready to plant today, and I'm going to get those plants in so that there's beautiful weather, things can really kick off. Everything is looking great in here, all except for that one cucumber plant, but I did give it some go juice. And another one of my subscribers asked about what my go juice was that I used a couple of years ago on my original orchard that made it grow so quickly. Well, this is the stuff right here. It's called Jumpstart, and this stuff is amazingly good. I mean, really, really, really good. And you don't need much of it. It's got the instructions on the side here. When something is looking a little on the sad side, or I just transplanted it or anything like that, I'll mix a cap full of this with 2 gallons of water and water them with that, and they just spring back to life. So I may put some on those cukes right there and see what happens, see if they come back. But yeah, as you can see, I've got a few bottles of this down here in my box because I really do stand by this stuff. And that's the Go Juice, or the Grow Juice, or whatever you want to call it, that I mentioned in some of my older videos way back when I planted the first orchard. All right, with all that being said, I'm going to cut this short because I'll probably do another video later today after I finish work. But I got to get to work right now, and I just wanted to get all of this on video before I did do all that work. And we will see how much I can get done now. It's about going on 1 o'clock, so it's going to be a push to get things done. GBear reminding you, give me a thumbs up down there, please. And also, click share and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. We got to get those other 60% of people, or 60-something% of people that are watching these videos on a regular basis to subscribe. And in case you're worried, no, it doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. Just click that subscribe button and then click the bell right beside the subscribe so that you get notified of new videos. It's all free. And my subscribers, the people that are with me, will be in on the drawings when I start getting sponsored and I start getting stuff sent to me. I will be hosting giveaways and drawing names out of a hat once a month. And my subscribers are the ones that are going to be the ones reaping the benefits of that. So don't forget, subscribe down there, please. And tell your friends to subscribe. GBear, signing off.